Hey guys, welcome to Crypto India. I'm your host Shiv. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. In this video today, we will talk about, is it too late to buy and shares or Neocoin? Is it too late to invest into Neocoins? We'll talk about that today. So just before that, this is a channel that we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, blockchain, ICOs, news and market sentiments around the world. So if you're new to this channel, go ahead and click on subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of these important informations. We will start with Neo now. So Neo was invented in 2016 October, and this was actually called as Ant Shares. So after being there on the coin market cap for about 1 year, the company, the inventors, the development team decided to rebrand it to Neo, and after the rebranding was done, it has started some magical performance right from the month of August this year, where it was trading at about, in the month of July, in fact, it was trading at about 1.80. So right from the October 2016 to July 17, okay, so almost about 9 months, it was just trading about below $1 and $1.50. But what happened in the month of July is it went to $8. It went to, in the month of August, it went to $11, and then it touched 48 US dollar. Can you imagine that? $1, and then where is $48? So if you're holding 1000 and shares, let's talk about 100 and shares, which would be only $100. All of a sudden, in just 1 month, that $100 converted into $1000. That's the power of ICOs and cryptocurrencies. But remember that it was after a year after they rebranded it. So yes, cryptocurrencies are a long-term investment, provided you are able to identify the right companies and the right ICOs and the right coins for yourself. uh, Very important that you do not get into some dump and pump and dump coins or some shit coin which does not have a proper foundation, a strong foundation, and which will eventually not grow but will crash. So something like Neo, right? So we'll talk about, so right now if you look at, today is about 19th of September. So it touched about 48 US dollar in the month of August. As of now today, because of the Chinese exchanges ban, the all other state, the ICO was banned in China. Because of these issues, right now it has come down to 19, it's come down to 19.01. It's 19.89 today. So looks like a good time to buy in, because almost half of the its highest price. And once a coin has reached its top price, it doesn't take longer for a coin to hit that target again. So right now it's selling at about $19, which seems a very good investment. So let's talk about why Neo. Okay, is it a good investment or is it too late to good investment, right? So let's understand first of all what is Neo. Okay, so Neo is also called as Ethereum of China. So if you have seen the Ethereum's growth right from the 2015 to 2017, a few dollar Ethereum is now being traded about 300, 275 and 300 US dollar, right? So Ethereum is basically a platform to build the smart contracts, to write smart contracts, and so is the Neo. The only difference with Neo is that Neo also supports uh, language like C plus language and Java language, which is more which the developers and coders are more familiar with. So this has gone an extra step ahead to offer an easy language to program smart contracts, and that is what makes it more attractive than Ethereum. So that's the first reason, that it is built for smart contracts, and the language that you can write the smart contracts are easier than Ethereum for developers and programmers. That's the first one. The second thing is that if you look at the China, how the China behaves. So China have a version of its own in everything. So they don't have Amazon, they have Alibaba. Similarly, they don't have Google, they have their own search engine, right? and they don't have Facebook, but they have their own social media platform. So China's Chinese are very expert in having their own version of everything. So now Neo is supposed to be Ethereum of China. That's what people call it. So if Ethereum can grow up to $300, I'm sure the Neo have a very great potential to grow in coming future, provided it would get a lot of support from China. That was second reason, and the third one is earning gas. This is huge. So what happens is, if you hold Neo in your wallet, which is a Neo wallet, it's a different kind of wallet. Okay, if you go on to www.neo.org, select your desktop for the wallet. When you click on download, it takes you to the GitHub, and from GitHub you need to download the wallet for Neon. So what happens is, when you keep your Neon into the Neon wallet or Binance exchange, you get to earn gas. Now what is gas? Gas is again a token which can be traded on the exchanges. So right now the Bittrex is actually trading. So there is a website which you should check out for sure, which I'll also link in the description below, which is called neo2gas.com. So it will actually give you the conversion of how many Neos will earn how much of gas to you. So for example, if I put 100 Neos, let's say if I have 100 Neos, so it will give me per day about 0.0461 gas just for keeping your Neon in the Neon wallet or Binance wallet. Per week 0.3226 gas, and per month is 1.42 gas. Now gas is also being traded all the exchanges. Let me check that at the coinmarketcap.com once. Right, so Neo gas, you have Neo gas. Give me a minute, I'm just sorry about this, guys. The screen just went off. I hope you guys are also doing a lot of research and getting educated and educating yourself on these new technologies and cryptocurrencies. So I can see the gas price. The gas price is trading at about $9.80. Not bad at all. I mean, you get to earn free gas. If you can take away anything from this video, just learn about this. So just learn that if you keep your Neo tokens in the Neon wallet or Binance wallet, you get to earn gas, and which is real money. And you can check that how much Neo, if you keep, how much of gas you will earn. You can check that on neo2gas.com. And right now, just to let you know, each gas is trading at about 9.86. Now Neo does have a total market cap which is 100 million, which, like I said, and there are 50 million already in circulation. What it means is the price will keep going high, just like Bitcoin is going high, because there is a limited number of Neos available in the market. If you look at their team, this would be the fourth reason or the third reason I don't have account. But if you look at the team, they have a fantastic team here. So let me have a look on the teams. They have a roadmap, they have a team members, they have everything. There's a proper company that they're building up. So I definitely think this is going to be a huge competition for Ethereum in future, or probably maybe not a competition, but this is definitely going to have a very good share in the market. Just like Ethereum, even on Neos the ICOs can be raised. So a lot of institutions, a lot of these ICOs will be raised on Neo. That is another reason of why Neo's price can go up in near future. So it's a beautiful team here. You can also go ahead and look at the team of Neo, which I'll set the link in the description. uh, Da Hongfei, he's a Chinese guy, he's the founder of Neo, and right, so it's a very reputed team that we have on board. So like I was saying guys, now this Neo will also be used for raising funds for ICOs. So these institutions will be using Neo platform to raise ICOs. I heard Alibaba is already in touch with uh, to build some kind of platform for Alibaba with Neo. So that's another good news. Uh, yeah, so earning gas, and if you look at the how Ethereum has grown over the last 2 years, I think Neo have a very good possibility of growth. Probably right now it's trading at about $20, so it should definitely go at about $100 or something by the end of this year. That's just my prediction. So yeah, also having said that, the China have some regulations right now. The cryptocurrencies exchanges are closed, but we need to see how the developments of China Neo happens in China. That is something that still need to be seen. But the Neo is still trading in the rest of the world, though not in China, since the cryptocurrencies are banned. So this is something that you'll have to keep in your mind as to how the development will happen of Neo in China because of these regulations coming in and cryptocurrencies being banned. But overall, Neo looks a very good investment in the long run, not in the short run, but in the long run. If you compare this with Ethereum, and if you look at this earning opportunity of gas just by keeping it in your Neon wallet or Binance wallet, and offering this platform of smart contracts in an easier language than what Ethereum does. So that is just my analysis of Neo. Again, I would recommend, if you're this is not an investment advice, so if you're investing anything, do your own research, understand the technology, understand the product, and then go ahead with your decision. So thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you got value out of this video. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and click on subscribe. It's always lovely talking to you guys and sharing the knowledge or information that I get, and to keep you guys updated on this on a daily basis. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.